everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Moor Naam Hoy Jaitri, and as you guys know that I am at Palakkad in Kerala right now, and just want to give you guys a quick update that today my parents have, not just my parents but my family as a whole, whoever had come for my engagement, they've all left for home, so they've gone back to Assam, and I have come to Vaishak's home, so I will be here for another few days, and I will be staying with Vaishak's family for a few days. And yeah, I just wanted to update you guys about it. And now I will be going out with them somewhere. I don't know where exactly. Vaishak is here. 1 minute. So Vaishak is here.
Hello everyone.
So where are we going?
There is a place here called as Nelliyambadi. That is a small hill station. Just like how it is Ooty is for Tamilians. So people across Tamil Nadu or other parts of India, they visit Ooty for staycation or vacation. So just like that, it's a small hilly place where people come for staycation in Kerala. It's well known here in this part of Kerala, in Palakkad district. So right now we are going there. Although the weather is so bad, it's still raining out here. The rain has stopped half an hour back, but still we have made plan to at least visit, if not till the top of the hill. At least we are going halfway through, and we are going to explore. And yeah, stay tight and let's catch you all up there.
I want to tell you guys one thing. Vaishak's home is located at such a beautiful place. There's a beautiful paddy field outside which belongs to you guys only.
Yeah, you can show them right now.
Yeah, I'll show you guys right away. It is so beautiful.
Yeah.
It just made my morning, guys. I came here early in the morning and it just made my morning. I'm showing you guys.
So these are the paddy fields, as you can see. Not just paddy. I think there are different forms of cultivation. So we can see all coconut trees here. So this is the scenic beauty from outside our home. Just show the outside part of the home.
So this is the paddy field and I'll show you guys the outside part of his home. This is Vaishak's home, and there were some decorations that was done because there was a family gathering that we had on the same day
of the engagement.
of the engagement. Yes.
So it was an evening function, just
Yeah.
like a mini reception kind of thing.
Yeah.
So we had between our two families.
Yeah. And let me tell you guys, this is one compound and all the houses belong to like your family.
My family, because
Yeah.
it's a joint family.
Yeah.
All of my mom's, my grandmother's siblings, their children, my aunts, and my entire mom's family, they stay here.
Yeah.
So each of the sibling has one house in this compound. So this is the view from our home, and a certain part of these fields belong to one of my grand uncles, who is again staying in this compound. He stays in the front house. So yeah, this belongs to us. How is this? How do you feel? This is.
I'm
Isn't
amazed.
it serene? Isn't it serene?
It's very serene.
Lush green, peaceful.
Very serene, very peaceful.
Anyone out there who's staying in any metro cities like Delhi?
I don't
At
miss
least I can talk
Delhi.
about-
I don't miss
At least
Delhi
I can
right
talk
now.
about people living in Delhi.
Yeah,
Those who
1
are
minute.
I don't know about people living in other metro cities, but for those who are staying in Delhi, the busy life, polluted city, a hectic life, office, college, work, stress, tension. This is a must-visit place.
Yes.
I'm not just talking about my house, the entire district of Palakkad.
Yeah.
As a matter of fact,
It is actually very
Yeah.
gorgeous, very beautiful.
yeah, and as a matter of fact, the place will give you a very, staycation kind of vibe, and you'll enjoy, and
Yeah.
you'll have a great time. It's even if 1 week you stay here, you will feel that all your stress and burden has been relieved.
Yes.
So it's a very must-visit place. You may all want to try someday. Please do visit. So show them the road in front.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's
So that
visible.
I'm not sure if it is visible for you guys or not, but that is the road. Wait, that
yeah.
is the road.
There was a two-wheeler.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
which
the
we
part.
could not capture. Okay, Vaishak's mom is calling and we are getting late, so let's go. All of these houses belong to Vishak's extended family members. All of these. This entire compound belongs to them. I really like this culture over here. That's Vishak's mom. Hi बोल दीजिए एक बार.
See, now we have entered the checkpost area. It's a forest area, and forest police will be there. So, as told earlier, we have reached the entry gate of the, Nilambadi checkpost.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, we should not film us, film them. I mean, them as in film that part.
Yeah, I will.
But
We won't be going by car, no?
so what? Show them, no? Show them the checkpost. Show them the entry gate.
Yeah, I'll show you guys the checkpost. But just want to also let you guys know that we are going there by foot.
Yeah, because there are restrictions here.
Yeah.
After 3 p.m., the forest rangers are not allowing anyone to go up the hill in vehicle because of, I think, certain safety reasons.
Yes.
Primarily because I guess there are wild animals and, not carnivore animals as such. Wild buffaloes and elephants are there.
Yeah.
So after the light outs, I think traveling back becomes a little bit difficult and it's even risky. So I don't think that they will be allowing anymore, the police. They have kept it strict. And people in the pretext of going to dam, they tend to go all the way up, and it can also be risky for these people who are working out here. They are risking their jobs, so I don't think they'll be allowing.
Okay.
So now we are going by foot to a certain distance and we'll travel back.
So this is the route where we will be traveling to. I mean, we will be walking towards.
Walking.
Left, right, left.
All the way up. You should cover that part in front.
അല്ല അത് വേണം ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞത് അതല്ല കോടതി പറഞ്ഞ കാര്യം അത് വേണം നമ്മൾ കൊടുക്കുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ശ്രദ്ധിച്ച് വേണം കൊടുക്കാം ഇത് അങ്ങനെ 15 വർഷം കണ്ടാണ് അപ്പോൾ അങ്ങനെ കോടതി ഓർഡറായി ശ്രദ്ധിക്കാത്തതുകൊണ്ട് നമുക്കിപ്പോൾ അവർ വാങ്ങിത്തരാൻ നിർവാഹമില്ലാന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഒരു പ്രാവശ്യം മടക്കി അപ്പോൾ അവർ ഒന്നുകൂടി അത് പരിഗണിക്കുന്നു ഇവർ പോലീസ് സ്റ്റേഷനിലൊക്കെ കാര്യം പറഞ്ഞു.
This is dam behind you. What you can see is a dam. It's called as Podundi Dam. It's a very famous dam out here. I don't know how far it is true. They said that it's made of mud. So it's called Earth Dam. Earth Dam. Yeah, sorry guys, I don't know much about this dam. Honestly speaking, this is all I know. But yes, this is actually, you can say it's one of the lifelines of this place, and it's covered by mountains all around. And if you go upstairs, up this road, you will directly reach to the Nilambadi hills, and there are staycation houses up there. So yeah, that's about it. So
It's a must visit place.
yeah, it's a must visit
It's a
place.
must visit.
It's like just like an Ooty.
Yeah.
Just like Ooty.
I think this place won't be as popular as Ooty for those who don't belong to Kerala or maybe who don't belong to the southern region of India.
Because people don't know about it.
Yeah, exactly. But it is a very beautiful place.
Yeah.
So
It
it is a must visit place.
Yes.
Can you mention the name of the place once again?
Nilyampati is the name of the
Nilyampati.
yes, the hill station, and this dam is Podunedi.
Please visit. I just want to say that I had a very good time over here. It's a very beautiful and serene place to visit, but unfortunately we could not go beyond a certain point because of the timing.
And
So
it was also drizzling, no?
yeah,
Now it's stopped though, but it's very risky. It may rain anytime,
yeah,
and it may rain heavy. Looking at the clouds,
yeah.
so
It has been raining in Palakkad today since morning.
yeah, there was orange alert. I think there was some kind of cyclonic warning, I guess,
Yeah.
in the Arabian Sea. So yeah, we are heading downwards now. Yeah, so let's meet back at our place.
Yeah, we are now going back home.
Yeah.
So see you there.
ഇവിടെയാ മണ്ണുണ്ടാകന്നെ
Vishak is trying to enhance his photography skills. So we are finally back now, and I will change, I'll freshen up, then we'll have our dinner, and then I have a few packing to do, and I'm planning to sleep early tonight. And that is because tomorrow early in the morning we are all going to leave Palakkad, and we will be going to another place, another beautiful place in Kerala, which I will let you guys know tomorrow. I'll let you guys know about that place tomorrow. So yeah, with that I'm ending this vlog for today. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Diary of Jaya. Till then, good night, and I shall see you guys in my next vlog.